How to fix Google Play services keeps stopping on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can fix if your Android device says that Google Play services keeps stopping. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now this type of error is pretty much common on Android devices and for Android users. This happens whenever there is a bug on the software, or maybe whenever you install a custom ROM or a custom software to your device, such as adding a kernel and so on, that you just messed up with some of the Google files and you added to some of the Google Apps add-ons to your TWRP recovery and you forgot to flash it, and that could be one of the reasons why you're facing the Google Play services bug. But other than that, it could be one of the outdated software version issue or sometimes a likely bug with the update as well. So in order to fix that, there are a couple of things which we can do. But first of all, before we try to do anything else, what I would recommend you to do is to simply actually restart your Android phone. So press the volume buttons as well as the power buttons depending upon the key combinations on your device to restart it, and go ahead and simply restart your device to actually renew and refresh all of the apps in the first place. And after that, if that doesn't help, what I would recommend you to do is to simply check if there are any type of updates available for your Android phone. So go ahead and then open up settings, and as you open up settings, you want to go to software update. As soon as you go to software update, at the very top, tap on download and install, and if there are any type of official updates available from your company's manufacturer or your device's manufacturer themselves, then go ahead and then update your software or your firmware version to the latest version. If that doesn't help, the other thing what I can suggest you is to come back and tap on apps. As soon as you select apps, you'll be able to see a list of various apps on this list. We simply have to go ahead and then look for the app called Google Play Services. So go ahead and then select Google Play Services. As soon as you select Google Play Services, over here you want to go to storage, and once you go to storage, tap on clear cache and tap on manage storage, and you might as well also want to clear all data. Keep in mind that clearing all data will also log you out of your Google account, so if you don't remember your credentials, I wouldn't really recommend this option. But if you do, then go ahead and then simply reset, and you might need to relog into your Google account. Hopefully that would have fixed your issue. If not, last but not the least, what I would recommend you to do is on the app info page of Google Play Services again, on the top right, simply tap on the three dot icon. As soon as you tap on the three dot icon, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on the button which says uninstall updates. Once you tap on uninstall updates, it will ask you for a confirmation at the bottom. Tap on the OK button, and what this does is that it is going to restore your Google Play Services version to the factory default settings, which means when you received your phone or when you actually received or bought your phone and then flashed a new firmware as well. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.